Here we go, guys. Good luck to all of you. Should be 4 cards in here. A bubblegum variation, a popcorn, Cracker Jack variation, peanuts, and sunflower seeds. Matt Wilkinson for Cleveland on the bubblegum. Guardians go out to Matt. Happy birthday, sir. Second card, we got Will Simpson for the Oakland Athletics sunflower seeds. That's going out to James. Third card is our Peanuts variation. It is Athletics again, James. Dylan Fiend, first Bowman. And our last card, guys, in the back, it should be an auto. It better be 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 to the Texas Rangers, Jesus Lopez. Jesus Lopez for the Texas Rangers going out to Jeremy. 4 out of 5. Wish we got one of your bigger guys there, my friend, but still not bad at all. 4 out of 5.